Okay. We're walking out of the car. We found some cars. It's a Walgreens sign. There's a lot of people. Wait. We have to go this way. Come on, Mother, let's go this way. Here's lots of makeup. Look at that huge roll of makeup. Oh yeah, there's people. Okay, we have to go this way. Okay, let's go this way. And look for Splat. Splat's right here. Look at the Splat. Oh yeah. Splat. Yeah. Splat's right here. Splat. That's purple, you know. That's supposed to be purple. That's pink. That's red. That's blue. That's green. That's multicolor. That's purple. Or like fuchsia. Okay. Can you get these in like streaks, or can we do them in streaks?
Yeah, I just need foil.
What color do I want? Do I want pink and purple? Or multicolor?
Let's get multicolor.
Okay. Looking multicolor. See? Multicolor. Woohoo! Okay. What else do you want?
That's $13 right there.
And you have to get perfect hair.